Okay, folks, so I can't show you my picture right now because I've got the camera on the computer doing something else. So we're going to go into this conferences button. I remember if you saw the earlier video, I said this was new and I want to explain this. So I'm in as a student at this time, and we're going to log into conferences. So if you'll see, there's a conference here that is in progress. This means that somebody should be there waiting for you when you enter this conference. And we come over here, we click join. It's going to ask us a few questions. How would you like to join the audio? I'm going to say microphone. So I have to do a test. So it says this is a private echo test. Speak a few words. Did you hear audio? Well, I didn't hear anything. If you speak and you hear your voice back, then you click yes. I spoke, I'm speaking, and I don't hear anything. So I'm gonna click no. So it's gonna ask me to change my headset, change my speaker and microphone to what I'm using, and I'm using this particular headset. Now it says to retry. Testing 1 2 3. So I hear that echo, so I'm gonna say yes. Okay, so now I'm entering the conference, so I'm gonna hide that screen. Now this picture you see is me as the teacher, not that the student. So as a student, I need to click start sharing, and now I'm in as the student. So um, anyway, so teacher, student. Um, we'll talk about this more when you get here.